There's been a lot of discussion and controversy recently about the Trump administration's plans to roll back the 2021 to 2025 fuel economy standards for cars and light trucks. And many of the claims are centered around that the standards cannot be met without electrification, full hybrids or plug-in vehicles of some kind. And this will drive the cost up, and the customers don't want the technologies. Well, the reality is quite different, that there is a lot of conventional technology improvements coming, and this is due to computers. Computer simulations, computer-aided design are opening up things that were never before possible with internal combustion engines. We're actually in a period of unprecedented technology development and acceleration. And so we've put together a chart to try to illustrate this. And to put it in context, we're comparing the footprint curves for the fuel economy standards for each model year. And larger vehicles have somewhat smaller standards, and that's reflected on here. And against this, we're tracking mid-size cars. So the solid black squares are the 2010 mid-size cars. And then the lighter squares are the 2014 models. And you can see that during the redesign process, all of these vehicles had large improvements in fuel economy. The largest jump was taken by the Mazda 6, and that's because it brought out an innovative engine they call SkyActiv with very high compression ratio, and it gets a very large jump in fuel economy. So the next generation, the first vehicle, is the 2018 Camry, and it has leapfrogged all of the 2014 vehicles. The improvements over 20%, it accomplished this by using an engine similar to the Mazda SkyActiv engine, but with another 10 or 12 very small improvements that add up to a very high level. And you can see that this vehicle meets its 2022 target 4 years early, and this vehicle does not have any weight reduction. It does not have any electrification of any kind, not even a stop-start system. Further, there are credits available to manufacturers for things like efficient air conditioning systems and other technologies that improve efficiency in the real world but are not tested on the cycle. And so you include those credits, and this vehicle is probably at least 2024 standards right now. And it has another redesign coming in 2022, another one after that in 2026. So the point here is that these standards are not that difficult to meet, and you can meet them with conventional technologies without electrification, without even a full hybrid system. And if people took a realistic look at what's actually coming, they would realize that these standards are not that difficult to meet and should not be rolled back.